The Sony Xperia 2 concept with a 144Hz QHD Plus OLED display, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, a 9,000 mAh battery, and a 400MP main camera paints the picture of a true flagship powerhouse that could push Sony's smartphone lineup into new territory. A high refresh rate QHD Plus OLED panel would deliver silky smooth motion and stunning visuals with deep blacks and vibrant colors, ideal for gaming, movies, and everyday interactions. Paired with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the Xperia 2 would offer top-tier performance suitable for demanding apps, heavy multitasking, and console-quality mobile gaming, all while taking advantage of advanced AI and connectivity features. Photography could be a standout strength thanks to the massive 400MP main camera, which promises incredibly detailed shots and greater flexibility in cropping and creative modes. To keep all of this power running throughout even the longest days, a massive 9,000 mAh battery would provide exceptional endurance, reducing the need for frequent charging and making the device a great choice for power users and travelers. Altogether, these specs suggest a device that blends cutting-edge performance, photography, display quality, and battery life in a truly premium 5G experience.